In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize a video on Capcut. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Capcut application and then tap right here at big plus sign where it says New Project to start a new project. And then just select some video from your camera roll and then hit on Add. And now you can resize the video in two different ways. The first way is to select the video row and then just pinch that video to crop it to that format, and also from here you can move your finger to select the best frame how you want to crop the video. And let's move on to another way how you can resize a video. In order to do that, first you have to deselect the video row. Just tap somewhere at free space and then drag to the left on that toolbar until you find format. Just tap there at format and now you can switch between different types of format, and now you can in the same way just pinch the video to remove the black boxes around the image and then position that video in the frame that you want to crop that image. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.